Hey guys, it's been a little while since I posted a video. I apologize about that. I've started my own business. I am now a full-time taxidermist of New Life Taxidermy, and it's kind of delayed my ability to edit my photos and edit my videos the way I'd like to. So that is partially why it's been such a long delay before I've been able to present the footage I'm about to show you. Because of the type of footage it is, I wanted to kind of explain what's going on. I didn't get a lot of footage leading up to my hunt. Everything happened so quick, and I'm also hunting in a major thicket, so I can't really see real far. So the footage I have, it's just it just starts off, you know, full action right off the bat. So what happened is, what I like to do in thick areas is I'll find a rub line. I'm hunting whitetail. I'll find a rub line and I'll follow that rub line into a thicket. And if I can find a spot where multiple rub lines come together in the middle of a thicket, especially if there's a terrain feature like a hill or a draw, where just like where I was hunting, that all comes together, I'll hunt it. And because I'm in such close quarters, I'll put out supplemental feed, and it'll basically cause the animal, as they come down these trails, they'll stop and they'll at least smell what's on the ground, at the very least, to give me a small opportunity, small window to shoot. And that's what happened here. I set up, it's a draw, I'm on the edge of a draw. One rub line comes down the top of it, another rub line goes down the bottom of it. And so I'm kind of wedged in between two rub lines, and I have a small opening about 10 yards behind me, 12 yards behind me, and I have a small window right in front of me where I can see maybe 25, 30 yards, but the actual trail is at about 20 yards, 15 to 20 yards. And anyway, that's what happened. This is my setup. Enjoy. Oh my gosh. I just shot a big 11 point I've never seen before. I had him a little high and a little far back. He looked up and saw me. I don't know how to feel about that shot. I'm higher than I want to be. Hopefully I got the top of both longs, or at least one long. I'm shaking.
I'm not believing that. I've never seen that deer before. I rushed my shot. He looked up, saw me, and got nervous and spun, and he paused. And I just kind of snatched and shot. I don't even think I hit my anchor like I was supposed to. I felt like I was still off of my face. It was so quick. So 18, 19-yard shot. Oh, Jesus, please. I still have a little buck under me. Oh, come on. Well, I just reviewed the footage, and it's not an ideal situation. He pegged me and was turning to leave, and I rushed my shot because I knew he was fixing to blow out of here. And as soon as he went to spin, I drew, because I know a lot of times they'll pause, and that's exactly what he did. He paused just for a second mid-spin, and I shot. I thought he was quartering away because his front leg was forward, but after I looked at the footage, in actuality, he was still quartering towards me. And what I thought was an entry from the liver going forward was actually an entry from the liver going backwards. So it's really not a good shot. I've still got deer underneath me. It's windy enough so they can't hear me talking. I'm going to give it just a little bit before I get down, and I'm going to go find my arrow, and regardless of the sign that I see on it, I'm going to back out, and I'm not coming back in here for another 4 or 5 hours, and I'm going to wait before I come look for him, because it's just not a good shot. Hopefully my tiger shark broadhead that I use does its job. It cuts a big head, or big hole, does a lot of damage, and hopefully it puts him down quick. I'm hunting out of this tree saddle this year. This is the first deer I've actually taken from it. So far I've enjoyed it, but anyway, it's hard to be excited when you know that you don't have a for sure outcome. But that's hunting. That's bow hunting. This is the part of it that nobody likes. This is a deer I've never seen before. So, anyway, I'm gonna climb down and check everything out and pray everything works out and I'm able to find this deer. And I'll keep you up to date, let you know what's going on. I was gonna give him a few hours. I got to my arrow and there was blood everywhere. So I took off following the blood trail. Forgot to grab the camera and video. So I'm just gonna video the blood trail and show you my deer. Down that grass. I mean, it is looks like somebody walked along with a water hose. I don't know how well you can see it in this video. Going along. And here he is. Beautiful buck. He's a mainframe 10. Has a kicker off the G2 right there. And then down here on the base he's got a kicker there. Both of them are long enough to score, so he's a 12 point, but anyway, couldn't be more excited. This is pretty cool. That's why I like those Simmons broadheads. It was a marginal shot. It opened him up, put plenty of blood on the ground. He went maybe 100 yards. There's other broadheads that will do that, I'm aware, but this one gives me consistent results. I'm stoked. This is cool. I love bow hunting. If you've never tried bow hunting, and if you've never done it with a recurve or longbow, I highly recommend it. This is Louisiana. I'm pouring sweat. I think it's November 18th. It's supposed to get up into the 70s today. Hot, humid, not really an ideal morning, but I wound up seeing 4 deer, 2 bucks, 2 does, and one of them didn't make it home. Thanks for joining.
This buck had 12 scoreable points and unofficially grossed 150 inches from the Pope & Young scale, making him my second largest buck to date with any weapon. I wanted to show you how this buck turned out on the mount. I mounted him in a full sneak wall pedestal position because I wanted to capture the look he had as he was sneaking in just prior to my shot. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, click like and subscribe below. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. I plan to bring more exciting footage here in the near future. So keep an eye out for more videos, and we'll see y'all next time.